Okay, go through. Okay, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, P. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, P. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, P. You're doing good, just keep going, P.
Okay,
Meet your maker, fly by, meow.
It's like rice, but it's like picture rice, but like 4 times smaller than rice. So there's like, even when you take big bites and swallow it, there's like little fragments in your mouth, and every time like I beatbox, like, they fly everywhere and down my throat and shit. It hurts.
That should be somewhere in this direction, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
8 more diamond, and we're good as gold. Bada boom, bada bing. Keep it going, we'll win. Keep it going, we will win. Oh shit, never mind.
Okay, I can't do that with quinoa tabbouleh in my mouth because it's like rice, but it's like picture rice, but like 4 times smaller than rice. So there's like, even when you take big bites and swallow it, there's like little fragments in your mouth, and every time like I beatbox, it, like they fly everywhere and down my throat and shit. And it hurts. It's like inhaling them. Okay. All right, desert time. I'm actually wanting to see if there is a village, an NPC village, somewhere over here, so I can get their bookcases. Steal. Don't squeak, motherfucker. Get fucked. Get fucked. Here. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. That in there. Get fucked. Listen here. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. Make it rain. Penta.